Parenting hacks and DIY projects all parents will love. Whenever there's sunlight or nightlight, children want to get up and play. It's natural. They just want to roam around the house or park and use all the energy that is somehow stored in their tiny bodies. Some enjoy quiet time, which might also include watching TV or playing on a tablet. But screen time for children, especially young infants, should be limited, and long hours in front of an electronic screen is not advised. But other kids are a little more active and energetic. They like to chase each other, knock things over, tumble and push, generally in a playful manner, and most of all, just break a sweat. For these active ones, parents and guardians usually take them outdoors to a park, a playground, a competitive sport, or just play catch in the backyard. But what if there was a cheap, safe, homemade option for your kids to play while under your watchful and protective guidance? Well, you may just be in luck, because we've got some pretty clever life hacks for kids that you'll love. Now, keep watching for some of the most ingenious, homemade, and economical do-it-yourself projects and life hacks for kids that can help your kids have fun, all while staying safe. With that said, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this, and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Number 11. Toy storage. If you're a parent, you probably know how messy it can get, especially when your kid has a lot of toys. If you find that your house is always messy because there are always toys scattered around everywhere, try out some toy storage hacks that can save you time, money, and of course, your sanity. Toy storage doesn't have to be expensive. Visit a local dollar store and invest in some dollar store baskets. The best part is you can get them in a variety of colors. Take those crates and glue them together. Now, you have buckets for your kids to store toys in, or you could just glue it up on a wall and create a nice, homemade shelf. Say goodbye to the mess and hello to a more organized home. Number 10. Family art picture. This one involves the whole family. Have every member of your family stick their hand into different colors of paint and then place their hands onto a white sheet of paper. Have the hands go ascending from size, then frame the beautiful family memorabilia. This is a great way to bring the family together and also can serve as a bonding experience. The framed painting will serve as a memory that you can cherish forever, even when children start growing older. Do you know what one of the best ways to encourage healthy habits in kids is? Keep watching until the end to find out. Number 9. DIY JETPACK. Okay, we're not talking about a real-life jetpack here. That would be pretty dangerous, but you can make a DIY jetpack that will entertain your kids and even bring out your creative side. With 2 empty soda bottles, some tape, and a couple of printouts, you can create a jetpack for your kids. Just tape 2 soda bottles together and then glue some hand-drawn fire onto the bottle caps and you've got a jetpack. Just attach some strings into the bottles and you've got yourself some astronauts. Number 8. Homemade Jeopardy board. Have fun and learn something new on family night with a homemade Jeopardy board. Get a big sheet of black Bristol board so that you can reuse it time and time again. Glue some folders onto the board and color code them with points on them as well. Next, find a topic and host and battle away. If you and your family love all things trivia and Jeopardy, this is the perfect do-it-yourself project for you. Not only will it bring the family together, but it will expand your knowledge and even bring out some healthy competition amongst family members. Number 7. Edible Starburst slime. If you or your child have a sweet tooth, then this is the perfect snack for you. Edible Starburst slime is exactly what it sounds like. Rainbow-colored slime that tastes like candy. Who's in? All you need is a bag of Starburst, some powdered sugar and cornstarch, and you're ready to go. Number 6. Shelf DIY. If your child has outgrown skateboards or has given up the ultra-fun hobby, then you can use their old skateboards as a shelf. Nail L hooks into the wall and hang those skateboards on the hooks. Decorate them however you like, and you just save money in recycled old toys. Number 5. Homemade slip and slide. Everyone likes some wet outdoor fun on a hot summer day, so what's better than homemade slip and slide? All you need for this is some heavy-duty plastic, pool noodles, self-sticking Velcro, a sprinkler hose, and some stakes. Number 4. DIY playroom. With some old tires and some pillows, you can create a playroom for your children. If you have a family room that's not yet furnished, you can get some old tires, spray paint them, and stick them in the room. Put some blankets or pillows inside the hole of the tire and voila, you've got yourself some homemade seats. Number 3. DIY lamp. With an old lamp and some action figures, you can make an awesome new lamp. Take a hot glue gun and some action figures and put them on the lamp. Spray paint it with a nice distinct color and there you go, a nice, tasteful new lamp that your kids will certainly love. Number 2. Cleaning up DIY. Kids love toy cars, but making them clean up after the mess is a chore in itself. That's why this DIY will be sure to be recommended by almost all parents. Take an overturned drawer and glue into place a bunch of toilet paper rolls. Make sure the drawer is standing vertical and not horizontal, and you've got yourself a mini parking garage. Number 1. Track their growth. This is a fantastic idea. For your sake and the child's, you can track their growth by number 1. Purchasing a poster that serves as a ruler. Number 2. Printing out 4 out of 5 large sheets of paper that when glued consecutively together will form a ruler. Or number 3. Harness that inner artist and paint or draw a ruler yourself. Now that you know some clever parenting hacks and parenting tips, here's the number 1 way to encourage healthy habits in children. Encourage them to go outdoors. This one doesn't involve any crazy DIY projects or tools. It is one of the most simple but effective dad and mom hacks. Encourage your kids to go outdoors, care for living things, and get some vitamin D by building their own watering cans. Maybe not a gallon jug, but get a decently large water bottle and poke some holes in the cap with a needle, and you've got yourself a child's watering can. When children are outdoors, it encourages them to be active, which is good for both their mental and physical health. Instilling these types of activities and habits early on in a child's life is a great way to set them up for success in the future. Today, many kids tend to stay inside on an iPad, computer, or video games. This is why it's so important to encourage them to go outside so that they don't have to rely on technology for stimulation. So encourage your kids to get outdoors and do things with them that will build memories and encourage them to be active. So, whether you're creating a do-it-yourself lamp for your child or just tracking growth, there are all sorts of mom hacks, dad hacks, and general parenting hacks that can help you save money while keeping your kids safe at the same time. All you have to do is be a little bit creative. What are some of your go-to parenting tips or parenting hacks? Do you have any clever do-it-yourself ideas or do-it-yourself projects that weren't mentioned in this video? Let us know about them in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.